a ceiling light, a Bohemian theme ceiling light, and you guys have probably already seen the bathroom vanity light that I purchased from Temu. Got this one for $20. I actually purchased this one first, but it's the entire vibe. Well, not really entire, because I did not get the living room ceiling light in this thing. They had it, but the one I got, I saw it for $7 and I just jumped on the deal. So yeah, that's a different vibe, but I can actually make it into something like this. So let's go. And this is it. These are the instructions. This one, I have no idea. Their prices are probably up right now. Prices are up right now because when I save my stock, and when I see them go, the prices go low, I just snag them. So this is the fittings. It's black, so it does kind of match the theme of the living room. This one will go into the passage. I didn't really want to put this up, but I can always put it back in the plastic because I'm not ready for installation as yet. But yeah, so this is it. The boho vibe. It's bigger. The size is pretty decent. There we go. Size is pretty decent, so I'm not disappointed about that. This originally was $30 something and I got it for $20. Right on the mark. No, I actually got it for $15. I think I got it for... No, I got it for $10. It was half price because I remember I wanted to just order it, but I couldn't order it because there was Temu has this limit where you have to spend like $15 or something for the item to ship. So I had to get my mom to order something with me to get this deal. So that's why I got it for $10. The original price was $20 and I got it for $10. Yeah, that's it. This was $10. So yep, that's it for this will go in the passage. Not the passage, the staircase. The ceiling to the staircase. That's where that's going. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and head over to the Boho Babe homestead to see the installation and how it looks, and the finished look of the house when it's completed.